an acronym of linear variable differential transformer. So this ability is a common mechanical transducer that convert rectilinear motion, which is coupled mechanically with the core of the Lvdt, correspond to the electrical signal. So basically, in Lvdt, it consists of three main parts, which is the one in the middle and two on the other side. The two on the other, two of the side, which is called the secondary winding, and the middle part is the primary winding. When it is in neutral position, the core is stated at the middle part of the Lvdt, which is at the primary winding. So when the core, which is coupled mechanically with other mechanism, will move in this tubular motion along the Lvdt, which is then the winding will create a field of magnetic field, which is then detect the potential difference between the movement of the core, and will be send it back to the electronic parts of the Lvdt back here, as we can see in here, so that the computer can read what is the differential value in the form of voltage. So for the sensitivity of this Lvdt, actually it can read until 1 micron value, which is a single with a little bit displacement only. So that's all for my presentation.
How the engineering quantity will convert to the signal, which is the electrical signal quantity. First, the input comes from the Lvdt itself. In this device, there is what we call it core. Core is a rod that it will move upward and downward. The core will in this Lvdt, it will produce magnetic flux that it will in that device, the core will cut the magnetic flux and it will produce the potential difference. The potential difference will give the feedback to the electrical signal, which is can measure the signal sensitivity. Yeah.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Zulkifli, SH0078. Okay, today my part is about signal analysis. Signal analysis. When the motion attached to the measurement, ability sensor detect of displacement that occur inside magnetic than the Lvdt sensor. Okay, for the detect sensor, the core is moved right and the left. Then we will get the first sensor. Okay, for the first sensor, we call that analog output. This is called analog output. And then if we want to remove digital output, we will get the second sensor, which V equal to 0. And then lastly, we will get the digital output. Digital output, we will get, the graph is proportional graph. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhan Nasir. Okay, I will explain to guys how this Lvdt work manually. First, we have to turn on this switch, and this one is control speed. You can fix it which speed you want. Whether it's what I put here is 30, and then over here, as we can see here, the road is moving, and so this is the control. You turn on to I fix here 50, and we can see this one vibrate and make the road vibration. So the Lvdt sensor will move up and down. So here it will transfer the magnetic flux and move the what we call the data to the computer. And that's all.
First of all, you need to explain about the advantage and disadvantage of Lvdt as well as linear variable differential transformer. At first, the advantage of the Lvdt is it can be used as absolute position sensor. As we know, the Lvdt is just static at one place, and so it measures the displacement and from vibration, the echo, and the magnetic flux will detect the signal. Secondly, even when the switch on, the Lvdt can show the same measurement. So even the button switch off is off, Lvdt can detect the measurement and convert it into electric signal.
Okay.
Then if you want high one, the Lvdt had high readability and reproducibility because it can get accurate data from the vibration that occur, and the Lvdt sensor will detect the measurement. For the disadvantage, it's so sensitive to temperature measurement. So the measurement cannot be in high temperature because the Lvdt cannot be detect or detect at a specific accurate data.
Yes.
The second disadvantage is the Lvdt cannot get a perfectly linear, even though it detects the motion, but it cannot detect a perfectly linear because the motion is will get faster